Welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your first gaming content, from recording gameplay to editing and uploading. Whether you dream of YouTube fame or just sharing your skills, this guide has you covered. What you need: a PC console gaming, capture software, OBS Studio, Elgato, editing software, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, Premiere Pro. First, let's get the basics. You'll need a gaming setup, capture tools like OBS Studio, and some free or paid editing software to polish your videos. Recording gameplay. Next, set up your recording software. For beginners, OBS Studio is free and easy to use. Just adjust your resolution and FPS for smooth quality. Here's how. Editing for beginners. Editing can sound scary. Simple cuts, adding text and background music make your video stand out. Use free tools like CapCut for mobile or DaVinci Resolve for PC. Uploading and optimizing. Finally, upload your video to platforms like YouTube. Make sure to write an eye-catching title, create a fun thumbnail, and add hashtags to reach more viewers. And there you have it. Your first gaming content is ready. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you. See you next week for more Tutorial Tuesday.